and welcome. This is the primetime news on Ghana television. The news is brought to you in partnership with Zain Communication. Zain, a wonderful world. My name is Salike Makolache with the details. 6 out of the 10 regions are to benefit from a $339 million hospital project. Dubbed the Ghana 8-number project, forms part of the government's determination to create, expand and upgrade facilities in the health system. Vice President John Dramani Mahama said the Ghana 8-number project will respond to the current growing urbanization challenges to decongest the hospitals. Vice President Mahama has cut the sword at WA in the Upper East West region for the commencement of the project.
Healthcare delivery is a major problem in the country. Despite the frantic efforts by successive governments to make healthcare accessible to all, there is still much work to be done to provide quality healthcare services to every Ghanaian. Ghana is expected to achieve the Millennium Development Goals of providing adequate and affordable healthcare delivery to all, with special focus on maternal healthcare delivery by 2012. It is in the light of this that the government is embarking on the Ghana 8-number project in the 6 regions of the country. Under the project, government will construct and equip a new 2-state-of-the-art 160-bed regional hospitals at WA and a 250-bed hospital in Kumasi. There will also be 60-bed district hospitals at Tepa, Tein, Insoko, Salaga, Konongo, Dumasi, Trifo Prasu, and a 100-bed hospital at Medina and Adenta. The project goes with a 5-unit accommodation block for doctors and nurses. It will be funded from a concessionary credit by Euroget-group SA of Egypt. The Minister for Health, Dr. Benjamin Kumbo, said the project forms part of the strategic objective of the Ministry's 5-year program of work to strengthen health systems' capacity to expand, manage and sustain high coverage of services.
Federals to moving service delivery to another level within the health sector, we have for the first time ever initiated a policy and a plan to complete all uncompleted and abandoned projects in the health sector throughout the country.
The chairman and CEO of Euroget-group SA, Dr. Saeed Diraz, pledged his outfit's support to assist the hospitals in the area of technical support and provision of essential consumable drugs.
Our experts are also working with the Ministry of Health technical team to enable Euroget to deliver essential drug consumable for the initial start of the hospital, estimated at being $5 million.
Vice President John Dramani Mahama said the Ghana 8-number project will bring affordable health delivery to the doorstep of every Ghanaian. It will also reduce the current growing urbanization in health system.
Each of these projects will involve the construction of outpatients departments for all clinical disciplines, theaters, diagnostic services, accident and emergency units, inpatient services, etc. The project package also includes a complete installation of modern medical diagnostic equipment.
The project will be completed within 4 years, including the defect liability period. Euroget will hand over the WA, Salaga, Nsoko and Trifoprasu hospitals to government in 2 years' time. The remaining hospitals will be delivered later.
Still on the presidency, Cuba will soon establish a center for the management of larvae and malaria. We will begin the story from where Vice President Mr. John Mahama has urged the Muslim community to support the government in its determination to improve the level of education, especially that of the girl child in the Zongo communities. Speaking at the speech and prize-giving day of the Islamic Senior High School in Wa, Mr. Mahama said educating girl child is key to eradicating ignorance in society and promote development. He reiterated the government's commitment to support and provide the needed infrastructure that will make quality and affordable education accessible to every Ghanaian child.
Islamic Senior High School at WA was established in 1996 as a community day school. The school was moved into the mainstream public education system in 1998 by the Ghana Education Service and expanded to cover the larger community. Since then, The Wa Islamic Senior High School provided education to both the Islamic and non-Islamic community in the region. Despite the numerous challenges confronting the school, it has excelled in the academic front. In the last 3 years, Wa Islamic Senior High School recorded an impressive performance at the SSCE examination. In 2009, it recorded a 98% pass in the SSSCE, with 64% of the students gaining admission into tertiary institutions. The headmaster of the school, Mr. Suleimana Al-Hassan, appealed to the government to assist the school with the needed infrastructure to enhance teaching and learning.
This is largely due to the suffocating settlements submerging the school and the lack of sufficient residential facilities for our students, as a large proportion of them stay in crowded, rented buildings nearby. As for the staff, the least said about the accommodation, the better, as there is no single residential facility for them.
Mr. John Mahama said the Mills administration is determined to improve the level of education in the country.
Please, parents, our young girls particularly should not be married off prematurely. Kindly let them reach the full potential that God has given them. Neither should you be encouraged to engage them in hawking, in street hawking, and other commercial activities. This is not to say that they cannot support the family in carrying out household chores.
Mr. Mahama said government is in the process of rolling out an incentive policy to support teachers who accept postings to rural areas and deprived schools.
I promise to improve upon the lot of teachers by giving them incentive packages like professional allowances and motivational allowances to teachers in deprived areas is currently being pursued.
A Form 3 student, Master Moses Ankura, emerged as the best student. The Best Teacher Award went to Madam Yusuf Dodu.
Away from the seat of government, the University of Ghana and the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation